What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today's video is a really fun video. It is a cook and clean with me video. So I'm basically going to be cooking dinner for my family tonight and then showing that and sharing that with you, but also doing a kitchen cleanup and cleaning up the mess. And before we get started, I do want to mention that I have teamed up with Home Chef, which I'm super excited about. So what Home Chef does is they basically have a website where if you don't feel like cooking or you don't know what you want to cook for the week, and you want everything just kind of ready and prepped for you for dinner or lunch, then you can actually go on their website and pick out any meal that you want. They have a variety of different meals, from like smoothies, a lunch idea, dinners, all of that stuff that you can actually order the week before and then have it delivered to your house that next week. It's really nice for like the busy mom or busy parent that really doesn't have like time to prep for dinner, prep for the week, and they just want to be able to come home, be with their family, and cook it up really fast and be able to sit down and have dinner with their family. Or it could be for the person that doesn't know how to cook very well, or somebody who just wants to learn new recipes, and Home Chef will put it all together for you. They have everything pre-packed, they have everything measured out, they include the seasonings, the sauces, the meats, the sides, everything you can think of. It is in there. They come with a couple different cards where I'll have like the recipe on it and all of the ingredients that include in the recipe, and you can actually save the cards for a later date. I have actually had Home Chef before, and it's really nice because sometimes I will go back and refer to those recipes that they've sent, and I will go back and cook it on my own. So I'm excited to show you the meals that I got today and what we are going to be cooking. I did let the family decide which one because we did get 2 meals in our package, so we will make one today and one tomorrow. And I'm really excited, so we're gonna make them. My teenage son's gonna help me because he is in the process of learning how to cook, and then afterwards we are gonna get in the cleaning and make sure I get like my nighttime cleaning routine done and get this place picked up after dinner. So if you wanna check out Home Chef, I actually have a coupon code down below in the description box, so you should definitely go take advantage of that deal so you can get a yummy meal. Even if you just try it out once or twice, it's really fun and it's something different that you can do with your family. And without further ado, we're just gonna jump right into it. All right, you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start cooking. We were super excited about this. So first we are gonna just kind of lay everything out. We are gonna be cooking the caprese burger with Italian seasoned potatoes. So we're basically gonna show you the steps on how to cook that. It's super simple, and it took us all around 30 minutes to complete the dinner. So first we are cutting up all of our potatoes. We are gonna throw seasonings on them. While Isaiah was cutting up the onions, I went ahead and put the potatoes into the oven and let them bake for 30 minutes in 400-degree temperature. So now we're gonna make the pesto mayo, and that stuff is amazing. We just went ahead and used this pesto. They do provide you with double depending on the size of your family. So we obviously got like 2 of everything or double of everything. So right now I'm caramelizing the onions and toasting the bun to prepare. And I just went ahead and threw the buns in the oven, and that's how I toasted it. I put the broil on, and that's what we do at home anyway. So that's just what we did. So now we're gonna go ahead and just build our burger exactly how the paper says to, and we loved it. Like, it tastes so good and it came out looking so nice. So we just follow instructions and it's super easy. So after dinner, everybody just goes ahead and like heads upstairs. They kind of do their own thing, wind down, get ready for bed and things like that, get ready for the next day. And while everyone did that, I started cleaning up the downstairs. If you've been following my channel for a long time, you guys know I use this catch-all basket. It's just a white basket that I got from Target, and I keep it on either the top or the bottom of my stairs so I can collect everything a lot easier and take it back to where it needs to go at the end of the day. What I'm using here is the Mrs. Meyer's apple cider spray just to kind of wipe down the tables. So I went ahead and put the empty box by the front door. That's where Isaiah will break down the trash or any kind of recycle and throw it in the recycle usually the next day. So right here, my pumpkin dish soap was out, but that's okay. I have some new dish soap that I do put out. And bye-bye pumpkin. Oh. So now we're just going to go ahead and put away the food. Ava actually had a lot of her burger left over. Hashtag picky eater problems, I should say. So we had to save that for leftovers. So right here I'm using my 7th generation wipes, and that is just kind of getting any excess food or crumbs that were on the oven already. Get those wiped down before I actually do a good scrub and clean. And then I am going to clean my glass top stove with the Women's glass top product. So if there's food that's hard to come up, I will use my little green scrubby, but tonight there wasn't. And I actually leave the product on for a couple minutes typically. Usually when I'm not filming, I'll let it sit there, or if I have time, I'll let it sit there. But in this case, I was trying to wrap the night up. So now we're going to go ahead and clean the sink. Usually during the day, I will just clean my sink with soapy water and just kind of keep it clean that way. And then at night or end of the day, I will do like a deeper clean with the Bar's Keeper Friend gel and just go ahead and scrub it, and it just makes my sink look sparkly clean and gets any kind of grime or buildup down in the sink there.
Let's keep dancing by, painting the sky and adding to our chemistry. Heart beats aligned, right in time. You've become a remedy. I don't wanna be distracted.
And my biggest thing for me is after I clean my sink, I like to dry it. So I'll just take a paper towel and kind of dry the sink.
Your state of mind, you don't wanna be distracted. No, you're having a reaction. Oh,
so I am going to be using my new dish soap from the Grove Collaborative brand. They did just come out with this new dish soap and little container, this glass container here.
Things I've never done, yet tonight we lose it all. I'm broken, and even if the sky would fall, flames are getting closer.
And now I'm just doing a quick sweep through the house just to kind of get any dog hair or any kind of crumbs from the day and dirt and all of that stuff. So we're just going to do that real quick. And then I will be mopping my floors. I typically like to do it in the evening like this because then nobody is around to like walk through the wet floors. I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning motivation video and also got an idea of what you can cook for dinner or even the style that we cooked it according to Home Chef. Don't forget to go check them out. I'll have their links down below in the description box. And don't forget to say hi down below just to let me know that you guys were here. Subscribe if you're new and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.